All right, you guys are back. How exciting. So today we're going to be building this. Yeah, with a little golf flare. Select pine from any local hardware store, 3.5 inches wide by 8 feet. We're using some 2-ply jute rope, a couple spare golf balls, glue, handy dandy tape measure, of course, the air nailer. Let's get into it. Now we're at the miter saw and we have it set at 30 degrees. These are the cuts you'll be making and the dimensions. Let's get into it. All right, now we got it back at 0. Let's cut the last bottom piece. All right, we're back at the assembly table. We ended up putting a little stop block here, and we did clamp the 12 3/4 right against there just to give us a little help. We got the 7-inch pieces with the angles facing out on the bottom. We're gonna glue and finish nail those in place. Okay, next we'll do the 5 3/4. Same thing, angles facing out, and we are offsetting these 3/4 inch from the top. Okay, now that we're working on the top piece, we got the 5 3/4 and the 6.5 with the angles same direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to end up clamping that to here. With the angles facing out, these angles facing out on the 6.5, we're going to put that. We're looking so it's square on the bottom. Should look like that. Okay, so we have the base locked back in. We did mark 3/4 for an offset in. We got the top piece made. Looks good. Okay, now that we have it assembled and everything looks good, we're using a 2-ply jute, so we're going to use a 3/16 drill bit. The drill bit will depend on the size jute you use. This combination seems to work very well. So here we're going to drill 1 hole. Here we'll drill 2 holes. And then we're going to jump down here. We'll drill 2 holes. And then last, 1 more hole in the bottom. Okay, now that we got all the holes drilled, we went through and kind of cleaned them up a little bit, and now we can run our jute. Okay, now we got the jute. Everything's tied off, looks good. Little slack's fine. You could put anything you want in here. We went with golf balls just because we want to put a little flair on it. So we ended up using a little bit of craft wire. So we want to put them offset. So we just wrap it around there. So we could put them anywhere we want them and they'll stay. Turned out absolutely amazing. I love the golf ball flare. And you may be asking, what is that 4.5-inch piece for? That is just in case you guys want to put it raised like that. Some people are different. That's fine. Anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for the YouTube subscribes. Wow. And the support has been overwhelming, and I truly do appreciate it. My family appreciates it, and we will continue to make content as always. As always, it's Jimmy here at the Wood Shop.